accordingly.
Sorkar jala kala Pynksan Ïalade jongka rai ban pendu kamno ya Laingut ki he katnat Lokayukta hakabel kala lenru bagadan kanu ke jing muslia hakabaya Ïadei bakarukam trekam jong katnat yale persha yaki kam bamsap idkhot ka kanhun menteri badairu inong yalam ka seng NPP ikong amperin lingdo ilayat hu hakinong pathai khubor hakasngin kong baka Sorkar kam down hok ban muslia ya karukam trekam jong ka Lokayukta barbo menteri rangba hakajala jong ka jala umpaju muslia AARM hakabaya Ïadei berkikam jongka. Unong aibu jong Sorkar jala uba HM Shangplyang ula pensyai bakat kumki kendon basipo subsection ke baar bat kendon bakatwe jong ka ain Meghalaya Lokayukta Act jong snem arja khatsau ki he ki han bat kinong tre ki dei ban mi nakani katnat bat ki briu ki bala shong thait nak kam Sorkar kimla banidan benta AARM bat kani katnat.
As per the section 10 and 11 of the Lokayukta Act, the officers, a panel of names were sent to the Lokayukta. And accordingly, the Lokayukta had made a selection and issued appointment letters accordingly. The office of the Lokayukta is fully functional now with regular officials drawn from the services of the government.
The government has recommended to the Lokayukta, who is the authorized individual to appoint its own members. A panel of names was sent to the office of the Meghalaya Lokayukta, and accordingly corrections were made. Officers have been selected, and I feel government need not go further into the explanations of actions taken.
Menteri Sports but Youth